character set is a set of symbols and encodings. A symbol is what we recognize and use. The letter A, the letter Q, uppercase B, the number 1. These are symbols. And encoding is how these symbols appear to the computer. You might say, in a sense, that they are the binary values of the symbols. It's what the computer works with. A collation is a set of rules for comparing the symbols. Does A equal B? Is A less than B? How do I alphabetize? How do I order the data? There are 3 primary rules that are used in MySQL. There is CI, case insensitive. Doesn't matter if the characters are upper or lowercase. Case sensitive, where it does matter. Capital B is different than lowercase b. And finally, bin. The binary value is used to do the sorting, the comparison. What is installed on your server? Well, that's going to depend to a degree which version of MySQL you have installed. If you happen to have a very ancient version, 3.23, or even 4.0, what you will see is going to differ from a 5.0 installation. There's a command we can execute in the MySQL command line client, show character set, which will present a nice long list of all the character sets that are available in your installation of MySQL. Here's a brief example. The first column, car set, that is the value used when you are defining a character set to use. The second column, description, is more for us, more for the administrator and user than the database. It tells us which character set that is if we don't happen to know what Big 5 is or Sweet 7 is. Default collation, that's the default set of rules used if we didn't specify it. And the max ranges tells us how many bytes are used to encode a symbol or a character. We can also do something similar for collations. We can see which collations are available for any particular character set using a statement like the one shown on the slide. This is useful because different languages, different spoken languages and written languages, have different rules for doing things like alphabetizing. That is involved in sorting. So using this statement, we can look at some of these collations, some of these rules. The 2 columns in this table that are most important are the collation column, which shows us the rule name that's used when we stipulate it, and which character set it belongs to.